Hi guys, welcome to Daiwikfuntime. We are on the way to eat some dosas. Yum, yum, yummy dosas. It's not just ordinary dosas, guys. It's very yummy, yummy, yummy dosas. That's how I describe it. And I look like a ninja, do I? Oh yeah. Guys, we have arrived and this is the menu, guys. Guys, that's our car. Guys, this is the pizza dosa. This is plain, only
cheesy.
This is only paneer and cheese dosa. Let's check it out inside. Hold on, let me just.
This is gotta be delicious for
That's a large cheese. Guys, this is my dish. I can't wait to taste it. And that's the other thing. That's the dosa. You can't really see it right now, but it's there. Yeah. And Dad is tasting it. Ooh, is it hot?
Nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah, very much yummy. Cheesy.
Cheesy? Yes, that's true. It's really, he's put a lot of cheese.
There you go. You have one more bite?
Oh, it felt so good.
A lot of cheese now.
Is it kind of becoming spicy? Ow. Oh my god, that's spicy. Guys, anyways, hope you liked the video. If it did, smash that like button. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.